Hello, welcome back to French's Road Trips. You join us on an adventure day, and we're off to the Three Trees farm shop, where we're meeting the guys from the Freelander 2 off-road group. A bit of laning today, some food as well, which should be quite nice. Dog is in the back with their nice new fan. They're loving that, and yeah, so we're actually nearly there. And we're a bit early, it's 25 past 10. Had to get some fuel this morning, so yeah, hopefully should be a good day out. Brought the drone along, hopefully get that up in the air. It's not too windy today, and yeah, we will take you on the journey with us. Oh yeah, it's quite busy. We're at the Three Trees farm shop, and it's very, very busy. So I think there's some people down here. I think this is. Well, there's a lot of biker groups here, isn't there? That's a new building, isn't it? Yeah. When we came last time. Yeah.
What's the output, do you know? Absolutely no idea. What was much? It was Rawson Airfield.
So we've all met up, there's 6 of us in the group. It's turned out to be quite a nice day. We've had teas, bits of cake, dogs have had a drink, and we're now heading off to a wooden Stonehenge. We've seen it a couple of times, but it's really good. And yeah, there's the convoy. You can see, you can't see. You can just about see above the car in front. 6 of us in total, enjoying the country lanes of Wiltshire. The incredible dust of the Wiltshire lanes. Goes to show, does it, how a little bit of water, or lack of it, in the last month or two, and really, really dusty. But we're nearly at our first destination. See if I can get the old drone up. Had our nice cheesy chips with the guys, nice little pub lunch, you can call it a lunch. Yeah, now heading down to a village called Berwick Bassett, I think so. Yeah, Berwick Bassett. Try some new lanes down there. heading home now after a really great day. Met the guys from the Freelander 2 off-road group. Lovely to meet them, and we hope to meet them again really soon for more adventures, more laning, eating food. It was really, really good. We really enjoyed it. So, we managed to get the drone up on a couple of lanes. Weather wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was a really good trip. Really enjoyed it. If you like this video, give us a like, drop us a comment, subscribe, and we will see you again very, very soon, and hopefully catch up with the guys as well from the group. Yeah, we'll see you again. Cheerio! See you again! Bye!
Bye!